Apply the face LED light every day for 30 days. And this is my result, stroke review. It has 7 color variation and each color penetrates different levels of the skin. This is the LED light right here. It comes with this user manual. You have to read through before using it. But the only thing I do not like is I wish it extends to the neck. In case you're considering adding LED light to your beauty regimen, watch this video because at the end of this video you're going to find out if having this beauty tool is considered luxury or a necessity. It is rechargeable. It is so easy to carry around. You can do your house chores, sleep, meditate, do whatever you want to do around home while using this. They have successfully included different lights for different skincare concerns on the skin. Green light balances the skin, yellow light increases immunity, purple light heals acne scars, cyan light promotes metabolism, laser light tightens sagging skin. Okay, red light mimics natural light. Anyone can use it as long as you want to improve the quality of your sleep. I have hormonal acne, food acne, allergy acne, whatever. I always like to go for things that help to heal my skin. So I use this blue light because my concern as of when I was using this was for pigmentation and uneven skin tone. I prefer using this at night before going to sleep because I want to be well relaxed for my beauty regimen. Action now is how do I use this? I take off my makeup, wash my skin, exfoliate, apply my serum. Those guys, a hydrating serum. I lay down on my bed, or you can just wear it around. You don't have to sit at a place and do it. 15 to 20 minutes and then you're done. It was not magical, but there was a massive improvement. And that's because I do a lot of things on my skin here and there, but this LED light really helped to improve my skin tone, my skin clarity, and my skin texture, which I'm all about because this is my major concern. Previously, I was not a fan of beauty tools, but now I'm a believer of beauty tools at home. This LED light boosts collagen for beauty benefits. There was 50% improvement on my skin. My skin is more radiant, more rosy, more glowing. The pigment on the side of my face has improved by 60%. Although I do a lot of things to improve the quality of my skin, but this right here on my hand really worked on my skin. I love it. I recommend it to my clients. I recommend it to everyone who want to improve their skin. Be reminded that this LED light therapy is not a miracle working tool. You still need to visibly improve your lifestyle, food, and skincare. It's not magical.